Welcome, in today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change the squad list in Star Wars Battlefront II. So to change this option you have to move to the options, then hit on gameplay and scroll down to the bottom of these settings. Here you can see the squad list, it's showing your squad. You can see on the preview here, it includes the 3 players and you, so it's 4 players in one squad. You can respawn on them, you can play with them, you can see the class they are playing or where they are on the minimap, on the radar. So you can change it from a default only icons or switch it off. I'm using default because I can see all of the important informations about my teammates. That would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!